As a Democrat, I would say, I thank you very much, Mr. Trump.
So he's gonna, so you're gonna tell Trump that?
Oh yeah.
You will to his face.
I would.
Whether or not that makes him less likely to cooperate, less likely to be the cutting ball, or just less likely to control what it is.
You're gonna shut down the fucking government and shut yourself up too.
I want him to shut it down, you know why? And I'm gonna tell you why, Louie. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Then nobody gets paid. None of the Congress or senators get paid. They don't get paid. I like that, because they ain't earning their money anyway. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Shut it down. Hell yeah. They affect some government workers. I feel bad about that, but
not Julian. Collusion is not a crime. It's time to find out there was some collusion for me to say that. It's not a crime.
No, that's what I'm saying. I think he's got Alzheimer's.
I don't know.
I think he does, because
That's true.
no, I don't believe Donald Trump has it. Donald Trump is trying to survive in the shark-infested swamp.
Hey,
Crocodile infested, whatever the hell it's infested with.
he said he was going to make that. I'm going to Washington and dry out this swamp.
Well, that's why he's in the swamp right now, trying to try some bitch out.
Yeah, wrong.
He's there. He's still bobbing.
He's drunk.
It's all right. He's got some weapons up his sleeve. Or in Vegas, we call it a couple aces up his sleeve. Okay. Right.
I mean, conspiracy is what's at the center. Like, if you read that document.
See, and this fake news, that's why I put it on, Louie, because it just gets my skin crawling. Nobody gives anybody a chance. And now there's a new thing today. They want to come out and investigate the Obama administration for, how did they get all this information on the Trump campaign to begin with? What was the FBI doing? See, they want to know who ordered that. Well, I mean, what's good for the goose is good for the gander.
Department. I want to play this sound for you and get your response to it.
That's an old Southern
talking about sort of the call that went to that John Jr. made.
No.
After he sort of has the exchange about setting up the meeting, he calls a block number. House Intelligence Committee famously refused to find out.
Well, you better get some roommates for that one.
What he says about that.
Huh? Better get some roommates for that one. That's 3 bedroom, 2 bath, but how much is it?
You're saying it's just a he said, he said.
That could be probably.
I'm gonna send
Do a Zillow order.
I'm gonna send the email for both. Before we do anything.
How much is it?
No. How about you come over and we have a good time?
Before the meeting, I think after
Dirty old man.
call for block number. Was that the president?
Okay, anyway, let's get back to the president. Now, I have another question about Cohen. I have another question about Cohen. So why is he singing like a bird all of a sudden? Oh, it's called tax evasion. That's what it's called. Tax evasion. Tax evasion.
Because it was let out by the Obama by the administration when he comes himself with government.
Well, because he talked too much. He talked too much. He talked too much. Well, he did. Evidently, he sent some signals somewhere. So anyway, that's a kind of he said thing. All right. So I don't think that's got nothing to do with Mueller. So why does Mueller want to talk to Cohen?
I don't know.
I don't either. I don't either. I don't either.
concern at all.
I think at this point, the Mueller investigation is going nowhere. The only thing they've got people on is tax evasion, hope they sing. Like Cohen now. He's gonna sing, but Cohen don't know anything.
You don't know what
Because
it is.
nothing happened.
Okay, you keep saying that.
Well, I haven't seen it yet.
Compounding effect.
How long is it gonna take? 4 years until Trump, has to get reelected again?
Well, and there's also.
Well, do you know the movie I watched last night? I hadn't seen it in a long time.
In the story.
Robert Redford
Disclosures that are
and
just
Dustin Hoffman.
Right? Like,
All the President's
emails
Men.
come out and they're, oh, yeah, it was
The movie about the
Yeah, it
Watergate.
was about adoption.
The
No,
Washington
it wasn't about
Post.
adoption. No,
The
okay,
reporters that broke it with deep throat,
Well,
everything.
then we actually did talk
I hadn't
about
seen that in a long
So,
time.
this
God,
isn't
I
really
remember
happening.
that. That movie's gotta be 40 years old.
This one
It's gotta be. But man, oh man, what a great movie, and they were really on it. No, he's not. He's not. They're both still alive. They're making sure they don't, they're looking back in their, history to make sure they didn't touch any women or nothing, because if they kissed them, they're screwed. They're screwed, man. They're screwed. You know what I'm saying, right? The guy, oh, you talking about who's that? The guy from CBS?
Yeah.
Oh, Movies?
That was about
The
75
CEO
years ago.
yeah.
That, no.
What Donald Trump said at the very beginning, if you go all the way back
That
to
was
2016, you know, at that
That was
conference where he said, you know, Russia, if you can get their countries to know
his
that
tongue
keep regular
would
wars.
walk right through.
First of all,
Man, he's got a head, I told you, these people.
It might be like a python.
legal strategy.
Hey, you know what, Jack, pay attention to those communities.
But you know what's funny though? It's the Me Too movement, and the women are taking their power. They're taking their power. I guess they didn't do it for a while, but this is a hell of a way to do it. It's a hell of a way to do it. It's like,
And get money.
oh,
Cruising dream.
I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. I'm sure there is. You know, so it's kind of, but it's just, we're back to, you know, I know the Me Too movement and everything, but we're back to this now. The collusion. There is none. Why we keep trying to...
So Julian now he's saying collusion is not a crime. No, it's not a crime.
It's not a crime.
But it's not proper, especially if you are running for president.
But there's no evidence.
I'm not saying that. What I read is that, that's how it's properly collusion.
That's why I'm saying, I think Giuliani has got to the point he should retire. That's all I gotta say.
You were supposed to do this.
Yeah, well, now he's retarded. Okay. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Can't believe it.
And I think if you
know,
it's that of
more of the president on the day that this pre-meeting was happening, it did happen, coming out and on some revelation about
because everything is
next Monday. In the immediate sense,
Up in the air?
Oh, no, yes, it's like the committee having to stop in an emergency to us.
It is the exact same thing that Don Jr. has been publicized which were her dealings in Russia. So
what do you think we should do to change
to
it?
believe in a lot of coincidences to think that
I don't have an answer.
and the president came out.
You know, I don't have an answer.
And then of course,
I don't have an answer.
I have.
Maybe they had to be naked.
I'd fire them all. Hell, I would
fire the president.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No, the president should fire them all.
Because of him.
No.
You fire the president, everyone's gonna get
Everybody gets their chance here in November to fire anybody they want to fire that's running for office. Let's see. That remains to be seen, right?
And that keeps going.
You think so? What do you think about, President Trump now wants to, shut down the government September 30th if you don't get the money for the wall? Well, it's gonna happen. I'm revisiting.
Good.
I'm revisiting. It's gonna happen.
good.
It's gonna happen.
How many times you want me to say good?
Thank you.
Yes. Am I speak like Chinese now?
No, I just want to agree on something every once in a while. Every once in a while, I want to agree on something.
Now, what? Then you think to me. Might have time to do this, the way it goes. When you
Guess what?
You knock to my door.
We're doing it now. Unplugged. We're doing it unplugged.
Where is it?
This is unplugged. We're doing it unplugged right now.
Not on camera.
It is on camera.
Is it on
It's
camera?
been videotaped and it's going to go, but it's our unplugged version.
Okay.
So it's our new one.
I talked about that. Because no.
But it's unplugged. So now we're talking about
Right,
stuff.
whatever comes that,
That's what
talk
we're
about.
doing. We already been doing it. So follow along with me. So anyway, that's our first edition so far, but we're not done yet.
You got to take that off.
Anyway,
I don't want that.
you're okay with that. Hell, I'll get mine. How's that? Then we're going to get another beer. This is behind the scenes at Garage Door Politics. Behind the scenes, unplugged. This is how they usually act. It's set in front of the camera, but this time we decided, what the hell?
To do something different.
Little different. So anyway, now we're back to
$60 million.
Paul Manafort. Paul Manafort. Paul Manafort. Tax evasion.
Apparently spent on everything.
What do you think about that?
Properties, to luxury cars, and even a $21,000.
Mueller's going to get finally a conviction in court.
3 weeks. But Manafort also faces
Manafort,
charges in D.C.
and it's only tax evasion. He's just hoping Manafort singing like a bird, but Manafort's fighting it. He's fighting it.
Ackerman, your former federal prosecutor,
He won't.
and then distinguished legal analyst Paul.
Just do it.
Let's start with
Happy
this.
with
The basic core issues to me are.
They're all going to sing, but you know what?
It's basically.
You know what?
He had a lot of income.
You know what?
Foreign banks and then.
It's
paid
just
some
funny.
money over telling the IRS and made
It's
money.
just funny
Basically cheating the government.
that
out of probably $30
Cohen
million
would not videotape, audio tape the president, which I know is common practice because they have to go back and check. I understand, but why was that released to the public before it was allowed to? Because see, that right there tells me something about somebody that's trying to be some kind of witness for Mueller, and so he releases these tapes to get a reaction from the president and his counsel. So at this point, there's something going on there. So I'm not sure what it is.
No, boys, telling you.
We're still trying to get to the bottom of it.
We don't have a side.
I don't know. Hell,
Do you? Shit.
if I knew, you think I'd be in this garage?
No.
Okay.
You want to do in the swamp.
Yeah, right.
Everybody else.
I'm already in the swamp here. It's a desert.
But this is different.
I'm in a swamp by swamp. Terms in the desert anyway.
Fairly straightforward.
A dry one.
Yeah, it's a dry swamp. It's still got alligators and crocodiles and what?
Oh, yeah, they're all around.
Yeah, they're all around. Doesn't matter. Swamp is a swamp. But you know, Manafort's on trial, and you know what? I understand all of that, but that's tax evasion, and I don't see the connection there. So,
That has nothing to do.
I wouldn't think so. He just worked, it's just like if I went to work for somebody down the street here,
Yeah.
okay, and I worked for them for, you know, a little while, 3 or 4 years, maybe 10 years, maybe, and then I decided to go do my own thing, and then I got caught on something, but then this guy's got a problem over here, so now they're taking me and grilling me about this guy over here, and this has got nothing to do with him. So that's what I'm saying.
So the trial is gonna be tomorrow.
That's what they said.
Okay. I can read it.
Oh, here's Giuliani now. We're back to him now. Just popping up what's ever on MSNBC, our favorite fake news channel.
This is the exact same thing he said about Michael Cohen a few months ago.
What about Fox?
That's the exact same
Fox is,
Oh, it's not fake.
no, I don't think they're fake.
Oh.
CNN is middle of the road. I think sometimes they get lost. They get lost sometimes.
What you want that he's leaking Trump behind.
Not true.
Well, we have seen that's behind it.
Hey, he's only a host on there. I didn't say anything about that. Nobody's licking Trump's behind. Everything is good. Stock market's up. People are back to work that want a job. No, not true. Anyway, so now we gotta talk about what we're gonna do for our next Garage Door Politics. You don't know?
Whatever you do,
Do you know what's beautiful about it? We get new material every week.
every day.
Every day. How? Every hour. New material. Because we have Twitter. We get all the new material, right?
Everything comes right in front of our eyes.
But anyway, the new thing they're saying now, Bob Mueller is closely monitoring Manafort as far as, you know, what he's saying to the courts and everything.
Yes, they're gonna get convicted.
Oh, I'm sure he's going to get convicted of tax evasion for sure. I'm sure of that. That is in concrete. That's why he's in jail on a no-flight risk, no-hold bond. I understand that. They got a conviction on that. But Mueller wants to run the table. He wants to run the table. That's what he wants to do. He wants to run the table, and I don't see it happening because Manafort, he worked for Trump for what, 3 months? He knows nothing, like Sergeant Schultz. Nothing, knows nothing. So it's amazing. It's amazing how all our money being well spent over there is just working so well.
Nothing new for that.
Yes, the president says he has no problem doing a shutdown and is shutting down the government over the immigration fight. Yes, Mac.
Oh, these are the president. A bully.
I was born in the age of
Bully.
7.
Bully.
I first met Jim.
Bully.
We got married after college and had twin boys.
I remember this.
Bully.